Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix cellular data or mobile data is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to try with the first step, that is all about turning on the airplane mode. So to do so, we have to go over here in the control center. Now from here you have to tap on the flight mode over here. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, then you have to just turn it off. It's like it is going to give you a fresh kind of restart for this, so you have to do that particular step. And after trying with the flight mode, if it's not working, then you have to try with a forced restart. Sometimes a forced restart can fix a lot of things. So to do a forced restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up, then you have to press the volume down, then you have to press and hold the power button over here and listen until you see the Apple logo. I'll be demonstrating you that. Make sure you do this particular step over here, pressing the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button. You have to do it very instantly, so I can show you that here. So let me demonstrate you that. You have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here. You have to keep pressing and you have to only release from there when you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can remove the finger from there and just wait so that it will completely load up. Now you have to give your passcode and you have to check with the issue is solved or not. But still, if it's not working, you don't have to worry. Go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all to the bottom, then you have to tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on the reset and go for reset network settings. This is what we have to do. After doing the reset network settings, still after trying these three steps and if it's not working, then you have to try one more thing. That is all about, you have to go to the same step here, same procedure, go to the reset once again, go to reset old settings. It won't delete any of your personal data. What it's going to do is if you have connected to the Wi-Fi and all those things will be lost, and also make sure the screen layout and all those things will be completely gone. And apart from this, you'll be having all the data and all those things. It won't get deleted, like the phone numbers and all those things will be there. Just do reset old settings and afterwards you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.